Hey traders, in this video we're going to discuss the Ray ZigZag Trio. We're going to discuss the settings first and then we're going to move and see it on a chart. Under the parameters heading, you're going to find the calculations for Z1, Z2 and Z3. These represent the actual values in number of ticks of each of the lines. Under the display heading, you get to choose for each of the zigzags whether you want to see them on the chart by default when you start it up, and also the color for each of them separately so you can distinguish them on the chart. Now let's head to the charts. As you can see on the chart, we don't have any indicators, but we do have 3 new buttons in the top bar. Pressing one of those buttons actually lets it turn on or off from the chart, as you can see. Each of the zigzags has its own button, so you don't have to have them all 3 at once. You can just turn one or the other on or off. The Z1 will show you small market movements so you can see the detailed ebb and flow of the market. So that's like the really small time frame, and you get to see new highs and subsequent lows and new highs and subsequent lows as fast as they can fall. Now the Z2, it's the medium time frame, so you're not going to see all the little ups and downs. You're going to see a more lean movement. We use the Z2 to draw our trend lines and trend channels. This helps us stay consistent with drawing off the highs or drawing off the lows. So the Z3 shows us the large market movements. So from the Z3, what we'll find out is the general trend direction. So we know if the Z2 is giving us a correction or if it's part of a larger trend movement. We use this as a great teaching tool to teach you guys the ebb and flow of the market. So how the market moves so you can spot it from 3 different time frames at once. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new trading tool. Thanks for watching this video, guys. If you like its content, then please hit the like and subscribe buttons on YouTube, share it to your social media, follow us on social media, and I'll see you in the next video. Have an awesome rest of your day until then.